Today I'll show you how to transfer money from a credit card to Cash App. Cash App doesn't let you add funds directly from a credit card, but you can send money to others using one. First, link your credit card. Open Cash App, tap your profile, go to linked banks and add your credit card info. Next, send money. Enter the amount, tap Pay, add the recipient's cash tag, phone or email, then select your credit card as the payment method. Tap Pay and confirm. Remember, Cash App charges a 3% fee for credit card payments. If you want to add funds to your Cash App balance without the fee, you can use a workaround. Send money from your credit card to a bank account or PayPal, then transfer it to Cash App via a linked bank. So, direct top-up isn't possible, but sending money works smoothly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.